Hello everybody and welcome back. This is Tina. Hope you're doing well. Hopefully this coming Sunday I'll be able to do my live stream in God's will, in my dreams, in my wish. Right, so let's get started. And today's topic basically is all about YT and how to find your niche on YouTube platform. Well, I think everybody knows nowadays love YouTube, don't you? It's no surprise there that a lot of people are turning to YouTube as a full-time job, right? See, no one would ever imagine that you could make a living of uploading videos to a YouTube platform. Yeah. By creating an account and just starting a channel on YouTube is pretty easy enough. And that is just a start. Well, the hardest part of running your own channel to be a successful or a well-paid YouTuber is finding and choosing the right niche. So my question is, what is your content all about? And what value does it offer? So choosing the right niche, it's also like choosing your happiness, choosing your passion, the life or the path to become a successful YouTuber one day. And sharing your own knowledge is like also attracting a lot of people to watch your videos. And who is your target audience? So, like for instance, if you want it to be like a gamer or online gamer, so most likely that you are attracting a gamer too. Or we'll say a travel vlogger, or you want it to be like, you want to have a content which is all about the travel vlog. So most likely that you are attracting all these people who loves traveling. And I love traveling. And that's my passion, that's my happiness. Yeah? Well, believe me, when choosing your right niche or finding your right niche, like it will be beneficial or financially beneficial for you as a creator. And that's very right. I also, I've seen a lot of possibilities and splendid ideas of creators that showcasing their talents. And I must say, it's absolutely a perfect niche. Whether it can be like, if you have your own channel to have your a travel vlog channel. Well, this is one of the famous content that I've seen a lot in YouTube platform about like travel vlogs, where they're bringing out their cameras or equipment and start filming their adventures. And that's pretty much easy. And I love that. Yeah, really. And you could also make like, a gaming event live streams, or a full game playthroughs, or making reviews. And I've seen a lot of gamers in YouTube and they're successful, especially nowadays. A lot of people loves to play online, doing live streams, showcasing their talents for their online gaming. And that's a splendid idea, I must say. Or it could be a YouTuber. YouTuber meaning to say that a fashion vlog, or it's related to about beauty, lifestyle, fashion and style, and also like making reviews for those beauty products and makeups, the brands, clothes, how you style your clothes, your hairstyle, or about skincare, or how you have those organic products that you used, healing or for your acne remedies. Yes, and that's wonderful ideas, and that will be lovely, and that will be like, you will have a lot of viewers for that. And that is what I've noticed, and that's what I've observed in YouTube platform nowadays, that a lot of people is watching those videos about beauty products, vlogs, fashion vlogs. Yes. And you could also be like, you could also have a channel or content that's all about food. And that is quite trending nowadays in YouTube platform, I must say. Yes, like a cook show, a food channel, a food network, sharing your own recipes, and baking. I must say that's one of my passion, baking, but I don't have much time to bake nowadays because of my work schedule, and I usually bake really, and that is why I have my own other channel for Tina the Explorer, because it's all about mixed vlog, that I can have a daily vlogs, reaction vlogs, entertainment as well, and also I can have a cooking show. Yes, and like for this cook show, for this food show, basically it's all about, you know, eating out in the restaurant, showing all those foods while vlogging, and also you can taste all this local cuisine, tasting exotic food. Oh my gosh, yes guys, you can have this food show, a food network, food channel, and that is quite trending nowadays in YouTube platform. And you can also have your channel or content which is all about, you know, unboxing or making reviews or making a product reviews. And I have this experience before that I once was invited one of the Amazon seller like to do unboxing or making a reviews of their products, and that product is free. However, I have to pay my own shipment fee and a tax as well, and that tax is quite pricey than the product itself, but that's fine really. And guys, you could also have a channel, an idea to have live streaming. It's all about like entertainment. It's what I've said, entertainment. It's all about dancing, singing, playing instruments. It's all about music or sports events, and that will be quite exciting, I must say. And you could imagine, what will I say lastly, what I really like. I wanted to be a tarot card reader. A tarot card reader for Tina. Yes, I'm serious. I want to have a channel like, you know, reading your horoscope, your compatibility. Yes, one day. I'm serious about that. I'm learning really. I just love the fact that a tarot card reader is all about like art, like which everything are numbered and illustrated pieces as a symbol, universal principles. But believe me, most of those tarot card readers, they have their own interpretations, and somehow for me a tarot card is just like, you know, a good guidance tool that gives us some insights to handle or go in any situation or circumstances that may occur, but don't believe at all. But most of people never believe in that. But for me, it's just like, you know, I'm having fun understanding and learning all the symbols, and that's it. And tarot card is this, what I've observed, and this is what I've noticed, is that it is like, you know, it's much better at explaining the present. But guys, I'm telling you, I want to have a tarot card one day, and the more I watch those people reading those cards, the more I learned all those symbols, right? So there's a lot, really, there's a lot of wonderful, splendid, or a good content out there in like a YouTube platform. Yes, if you have enough time to do an intensive research and, you know, sharing your passion, who knows, right? Yeah, you will become a successful YouTuber one day. So spreading your happiness, yes, positive vibes, you will attract more people to watch your videos. And guys, so that's it for today. I talk a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all your wholehearted support. And guys, look, I have my t-shirt, and I am promoting my t-shirt. Tina ROLREG. Yes guys, and thank you so much. And I do have my other channel, and that's all about mixed vlogs. Yes, Tina the Explorer. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, and I miss you a lot. Thank you so much for all your wholehearted support. Please take care and stay safe always, and please look after yourself. Alright? God bless everyone, and thank you so much for everything. Thank you so much for all your support, for unconditional support. Thank you so much. And Tina ROLREG is signing off. Thank you. Bye.